DepEd nagsayang lang ng pera sa 5-star hotel? Good day mga kaibigan, panibagong topic tayo for today's video. Ayun nga sa nabasa kong balita sa Inquirer, DepEd nagsayang lang ng pera sa 5-star hotel? Narito ang buong kwento. Panoorin hanggang dulo. DepEd under fire for wasting money at 5-star hotel event. The Department of Education, DepEd, is in hot water after it was criticized for holding an event with the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, TESDA, only for officials to sign 2 joint memorandum circulars at a 5-star hotel in Pasay City. Pasig City Rep. Roman Romulo slammed the event at the luxurious Hilton Hotel Manila as a waste of public funds if the objectives of the signing, including a deal on integrating technical and vocational education and training, TVET, in all senior high school tracks, are not specified. This is it? And then you had to sign it in the Hilton? This is it? Romulo asked DepEd and TESDA officials during the hearing conducted by the House Committee on Basic Education and Culture.
Nakalagay sa Constitution, di ba? Quality education, and that includes not only your academic track, but also the tech-voc track. Pero sila yung expert or hindi? Kasi hindi na raw sila sinama sa quality assurance. Kawawa naman yung ano. Ang nangyayari sa learner natin, pupunta sila, mag-on-the-job training sila sa isang, sometimes sa hotel ba? Sa isang hotel, and then, nagtrabaho na sila para sa ibang tao, nagtrabaho na sila para sa industriya, allowance lang sila doon, di ba? Hindi naman sila binabayaran ng salary, probably, no? And then, wala man lang assessment na nabibigay sa kanila, ang DepEd na libre.
Iyon po, pag NC po, Mr. Chair, talaga pong wala po tayong line item nga po in support to the assessment fee of our TVL.
Kasi Sam, under the law, hindi ba dapat nakikipag-ugnayan kayo sa TESDA? Is that correct?
Opo, opo.
Who's the representative from TESDA? Please state your name and position.
David Bungalyon, Mr. Chair, Executive Director of the National Institute for Technical Education Skills Development of TESDA.
ED David, sa TESDA, meron ba kayong libre na para makapag-assessment yung mga learner natin?
2 program, Mr. Chair.
Meron, wala. Yun na lang.
Meron.
No, Sam, meron sila. If DepEd had followed the law, if you had coordinated with TESDA, ED David just told the whole committee here, they have the funds for that. So why did DepEd not do that? Well, I'm asking Sam. You said already, ED David, meron . Oh, you want to clarify, ED David?
Yeah, I would just like to clarify, Mr. Chair. 2 free assessment. One is the free assessment for workers. The other assessment is usually all Tibet programs, scholarship programs for Tibet, built-in na doon kasi yung assessment fee for certification. So all learners do not have a problem on taking assessment or paying assessment, Mr. Chair.
In other words, ED David, if the Department of Education had coordinated with TESDA, kunyari saan nila nilalagay yung students nila for apprenticeship or training, then you could have taken over in terms of payment of the assessment fees. Kasi may second program kayo . One is for workers and the other one is for TV program, di ba? Is that correct? How much did you have for your scholarship? 14? How much did you have for your scholarship? How much for last year or this year?
I don't have the data, Mr. Chair.
Is it not 14 billion? Could you double check?
That is for training and assessment, Mr.
Training
Chair.
and assessment, correct. Which could have fit in for the learners, di ba? So, hindi nakipag-coordinate sa inyo ang DepEd. So the question, Sam, now is, why did you not coordinate with TESDA? Why did DepEd not coordinate, knowing that you are graduating students na importante yung NC? Or are you saying hindi importante yung NC and your diploma is sufficient enough?
Mr. Chair, well, I can only speak based on my experience first, Mr.
You're
Chair.
the authorized representative. As you said, you're authorized to speak for DepEd here this morning.
You
knew that we would talk about the K-10+2. You knew that this would be the topic. You knew that these questions would arise. So I assume you are ready and prepared to respond to any query by any member this morning. So the question is very simple. So please respond. And I don't need your personal opinion. As you said earlier, you are you are the representative of DepEd.
Mr. Chair, in our curriculum po kasi, we engage the TESDA naman po. So meaning po, yung ating mga curriculum guides po sa TVL also were vetted by our counterparts sa TESDA. However po, doon po may TESDA board resolution din po kasi doon sa mga fees po. And I understand po talaga na hindi po free para sa lahat ng senior high school TVL.
ED David, bakit hindi free? Hindi ba dapat yun nga yung tinutulungan nyo? Because under the K-12, kasama kayo. You are supposed to be part of the training. So why can't you pass sabi ni Sir Sam sa amin ngayon, officially po to, on record, sinabi niya na effectively hindi kayo cooperative because your board did not pass any resolution allowing your funds to be used by our senior high school students para makakuha sila ng NCs.